Hey guys, this is Mr. Hirschberg. I just wanted to give you a quick video for how to use your virtual classroom. For this video, I'm using the grades 3 through 5 PE virtual classroom, but this video will also apply to the kindergarten through second grade PE virtual classroom. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Each slide is a different lesson for the week. In this case, we only have 4 days of school this week, so there's only 4 lessons. If we had a regular week, there would be 5 lessons. Each slide is just that day's lesson. So once you've completed lesson number 1, you do not need to go to lesson number 2 unless you want to. You can complete as many as you'd like in one day, or you can spread them out during the week. Each lesson is going to have the lesson number, what you'll be learning today, so the objectives, and what do I do. The what do I do is probably the most important because it will have instructions for what you need to do inside that day's virtual classroom to complete the activity. So for today, you're just watching the video that you're watching right now. Practice navigating the classroom, and definitely make sure that you have access to the Google form that is at the end of the week. All right, so on lesson number 4 this week, there will be a Google form for you to fill out to get your credit for PE this week. All right, every Wednesday is going to be Workout Wednesday. This will be the same just about every week. You click on the video icon on the left for follow along exercises, or click on the weights on the right for at-home exercise ideas. All right, so if we click on the weights, that'll bring up a link. And here are some at-home workout ideas that you can do. Most of these don't involve any equipment. I think there's one on there, practice jump roping. If you don't have a jump rope, just pick a different activity. Most of these, again, don't have equipment. All right. Or you can click on the video icon, and that will take you to another slide presentation, the Workout Wednesday slide presentation. Click on any of the links on the next slide to follow along with the workout. So if I go to this next slide, I can click on any of these, and they're just follow along videos for kids, Just Dance, Sworkit if you're familiar with it, Cosmic Kids Yoga. Any of these links will pull up the YouTube playlist for those follow along videos. All right, so that's Workout Wednesday. I'm not going to go through every lesson. Just make sure that you read the what do I do and make sure that you do each of those activities. Anytime you see the speaker, which that'll be on every slide, you could click on that if you want. This is just kind of fun. And click on the link, and that'll take you to the Spotify playlist that I use for PE when the kids are in school. So you have access to that playlist if you want to just listen to some music. Or there is this textbook inside the classroom on every slide for parents if you want more resources or want to get your kids more active. You can click on that textbook and open the link, and that will take you to some different resources. There's a whole bunch of things on dance, fitness and exercise resources, a lot of stuff that's skill-based, jump roping routines, all kinds of stuff. So if you want extra ideas, go ahead and click on that textbook. All right, and then make sure that you, again, read the what do I do. So for this case, you'd watch the videos on the left and complete the daily activity. So click here for today's activity. And there's the lesson for that week, and you would just follow along with the instructions. All right, so let's go back to our virtual classroom. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the last day of the week will have the Google form on it. So where does it say? Click on the A+ on the right to complete this week's Google form. Okay, so you're going to click on there, open the link to the Google form, and fill this out with your name, your class, which activities you did. For remote learners, you will complete, hopefully, all the activities. For those that are in school, you would just complete the Workout Wednesday. Right, and then you have your parents sign, type their name, and hit submit, and that'll come straight to me, and you'll get credit for PE for that week. All right, parents, if you have any questions, or students, feel free to email me. Hopefully you guys are able to access everything inside the room and have view access on all the links. Again, I will be using the same virtual classroom throughout the year and we'll be posting the lessons and changing whatever the links are inside this virtual classroom. So every time they have PE, so this week it won't change, but the next time that they have PE 4 or 5 weeks from now, the lessons could be different. All right, but they will all be inside this same virtual classroom. Again, you access this through the Google Classroom. You click on your grade, click on the link, and that will take you to the virtual classroom with the lessons. All right, so have fun. Go ahead and play around with it. Make sure that you have access to everything. And last time I'll say it, make sure you have access to that Google form on the last slide. All right, thanks for watching.